हेलो दोस्तों, सॉल्व all these questions and win the prize. This is not a matter of money, but this is matter of knowledge. So try these all questions and answer the all question and send in the message box. We will get prize or award. Okay, that's first question, second question, third questions. Here fourth one, fifth and sixth. Sixth and seventh. Here 8 numbers, reduction of pH of blood will. Option is 1, 2, 3, 4. Question number 11, 12 and 13. Question number 14th and 15th. Again question number 16th, 17th and 18th. Next question number 19, only 19. Okay. Next question number 20, 21, 22. Okay, question number 23 and 24 and 25. Okay, question number 26 and 27. Here is the question number 28, 29 and 30. Question number 31 and 32. Okay. And question number 33 and 34 is here. Question number 35, 36 and 37 just in front of you. Next question numbers 38, 39, 40 and 41. Okay. Question number 42, 43, 44. And question number 45, 46 and 47. Please answer the all questions in comment box and subscribe and forward the link on and share the links. One who is preparing for Neet exams. Okay, next is question number 48. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 1 Question number 49 and 50. 51 is incomplete. Now 51 and 52. You should give your answer honestly to know your capability and preparation of coming NEET examination. Okay, and question number 53 and 54. And question number 55 and 56. Next question number 57 and 58 and 59. Next question number 60. Question number 61 and 62. We have total 90 questions which will be asked in NEET coming examinations. So try these honestly to know your preparation. Okay. Next question number is 63 and 64 and 65. Next question number 66. Try to solve quickly, but you can take your own time, but honestly you have to solve the one question maximum in 1 minute in your examination. Maximum. Question number 67, 68, 69 and 70. Question number 71, 71, 72, 73. And question number 74 and 75. Next, question number 76, 77, and 78. Next, question number 79, 80, and 81. You have to work for it. Next is question number 82. Next question number is 83, 84, and 85. Next is question number 86 and 87. Next is question number 88, 89, and 90. Okay, all these 90 questions you have to answer and win the prize. We will give the prize to the top 20 students who are going to appear in Neet examination. Answer all these questions honestly and give the answer in the comment box. Okay, best wishes to all of you. Thanks a lot.